Mrs. Hemlata is an enthusiastic physics teacher with 14 years of experience in teaching physics. She is able to balance teaching and administrative assignments with equal facility and.
Hello students, welcome to Ekam Academy, and today we will talk about total internal reflection. So let's start with the word reflection, and we know that bouncing back of light from a plain polished surface is known as reflection. So this ray when strikes a plain polished surface, this point is known as point of incidence. And if we will draw a normal here, which is a perpendicular line which makes 90-degree angle with the surface, and when the incident ray after striking the surface comes back into the same medium, this phenomena is known as reflection. This angle between incident ray and normal is considered as angle of incidence, and angle between normal and reflected ray, this is reflected ray, considered as angle of reflection. And angle I is always equal to angle R in case of reflection. Now after reflection, if we'll talk about refraction, refraction is bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. Suppose this is the line which separates two mediums. So suppose medium above this line is air and below this line is water. So as we know that index of refraction or refractive index is different for different mediums, and index of refraction for water, mu W, is always greater than index of refraction for air, or we can say water is denser as compared to air. So optical density of water is more as compared to air. So what happens is, suppose this is incident ray and this is point of incidence, and we will draw a normal here. So what happens is, in this case light ray is entering from a rarer medium to denser medium, because water is denser as compared to air. So if light enters from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal, and suppose this is angle I, angle of incidence, this is angle R, angle of refraction, this is incident ray, this is refracted ray. In this case, angle I would be greater than angle R, or we can say angle R